Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me. Today I have some project shares for you. Maybe it'll inspire you. Maybe you have these dies and papers, or maybe it just inspires you to make things out of your own stash. Just some things. This is also available in the shop as the time of videotaping this is anyway. And I wanted to share some, before we get into that one, some smaller things first. So I'm going to put this aside. This is a popular design here in these little tea pouches. This is some die cuts with the view paper. It's double-sided, and I've got a little tea bag in there. And this came with my Gemini. It's a Crafter's Companion die. I love that Gemini, by the way. If you're in the market for a die cutting machine, it's so nice. It cuts these intricate dies so beautifully. Anyway, so little tea pouches that are going to be going in the shop soon. Have that there. Also, let's see what else. A card that's probably going to be coming up in the works here. This is a Fun Stamper Journey card. He's so cute. And I love these tonic clear drops. They just, I don't know if it's going to pick up in the camera, but they're just, I love them. They're the clear, let me see what the name is. There's this one. This is the White Blizzard. This has a bit of glitter in it, but then there's another, here it is. This one, it looks perfectly clear. It might even be called, oh, this is called Morning Dew. And so when you put it on, it dries clear, and it looks like these little droplets. And it says, Yeti or not, it's Christmas. And I put my new favorite pen. I like Wink Stella, but I like this one more. And this is the Nuvo Glitter Gloss, the clear, and also comes in a gold Midas Touch. And I really like both of those. They seem, the pen just is more user-friendly to me, the brush, and when it's done, of course, you can use this, clean it out, and use it as a water brush for painting, if you so choose. And I embossed it with a Fun Stamper's Journey embossing folder, and I just love how he turned out. Just a little watercolor there on him, super easy to color. So, a little fun card there. I have Simon Says Stamp coming here in the works. For the kit that comes with these gnomes, the smaller gnome. This is the larger gnome that you can buy separately, and I have him on a tag. This is my digital paper that's available in the shop, also available in physical form. And this is Making Spirits Bright. That is from Tailored Expressions. If you see my latest haul with the Simple Strips die and stamp, I love that. I love it. I should do a video on things I've loved in 2019, because there have been some real breakthroughs with some products. Anyway, he is really cute, and I put some of that glitter gloss on his hat. I love gnomes. I've got a million gnomes. So just wanted to show you that. Also spellbinders. I know they're having a big clear out there, and this is that same Fun Stamper's Journey embossing folder, but that mouse die cut, that was the add-on to one of the kits. But he was cute. I made it teal instead of red, so little quick card there. Okay, what I wanted to show you, oh, I know another thing. Show you these Daisy May Design. I think I put these in a haul video recently. Maybe not, I can't remember. This is some Maggie Holmes paper, and To the Perfect Friend. I love that. I drew around it with a black pen, but I love these Daisy May Design sort of tattered, like stitched rectangle dies. And it makes a fun little card there. And along with that, I've recently gotten some Tim Holtz ticket dies, and I cut that out of some Maggie Holmes paper, Maggie Holmes sticker from the sticker book, a punch with a silver foil, and then just a word. I think this is a Tim Holtz chat word or whatever. And these are so cute. And along with that, I have mini file folders. I'll be doing a video on this as well. I do them in different sizes. This was an 8.5 by 8.5 piece of paper, and it gets down to 3 3/4 by 6, and it's so cute, and I love this. Is the Prima Zephyr paper, and I love how that turned out, and I love how these all go together. So yeah, fun colors. Right, let's look into this little traveler's notebook size. It can be an insert, it can be a standalone, however you want to work that. I made it so that you can slip it into a current traveler's notebook, or it can be used just like this. So it's whatever your plans are. This ribbon is from Really Reasonable Ribbon. It's a seam binding that is about 1 inch wide. And this paper is, for the most part, I think, is Merry Days from Crate Paper. And except for this is Maggie Holmes here, I think. Or maybe this is Merry Days. This is Merry Days. And sometimes if it's on the same company, it all looks the same. And this Peace on Earth stamp is from Fun Stamper's Journey, so that is really cute. This is Stampin' Up, this ice skate. And I just popped that up on foam. It is very, very cute and pretty. And I love how the colors are with that sort of coral green and then black and white. So let's open that up and flip through really quickly. Just popping on today to get these project shares. So what I did this time, normally I do out of my thick cardstock. I wanted to try it on printer weight paper, like 22-pound paper. Front and back I printed double-sided, and I kept all the back sides this grid paper from this is from another collection, I think, or it could be Maggie Holmes, but I put all these sort of, you want sort of a generic light because I wanted to be able to journal on here, or whomever buys this to be able to journal on the back of that. And so here are all the papers. So I have that paper there. So each paper kind of has a journaling side, and then you can journal over here too, but pictures and things or die cuts, you can add a lot to this. That pretty color paper. The fa-la-la. The little ice skaters, and I thought that went really well with the ice skate. That's why I chose to put the ice skate on front, because little ice skating people. There's that in the printer weight. This is the heavier weight here, but this is the printer weight. And if I could turn my pages, sort of potpourri of Christmassy items. That pink with the holly leaves. And the cocoa cups, very cute, the teal and pink. And then this nice little pink paper, pretty generic, a nice backdrop, nothing too busy. And then there's the middle, and then it just repeats with the pattern is now on the left, and then you've got journaling space. And on the back, I have also cut out of the new Sizzix Bigs Die folder, smaller journal, and it has these folders, and I think it's Caitlin Lizardi, if I'm not mistaken. It's that one, and then you can not only slip in, let's take a look at this tag here, it's very cute, these aside, so not only can you slip in things here, but then you can also slip in, let's say you've got that there, you can put in things into this slot, and actually this tag fits perfectly in there. So the slots are about 2 1/4, so you can fit a few things in there. You can put your little tags and things and whatnots, cards and mementos. And I thought I kept it simple. I also kept it, if the person did want to slip this into a traveler's notebook, I do have the ribbon loose so that they can reuse that in a different way if they don't want to close that in the same fashion. But I wanted to keep the options open because I love it as is, and I love the fact that it's able to go into a current journal cover. So anyway, that is my little project share. Hopefully that inspires you to create today. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day.